Yeah, I can read the signs. You need to get away. It's time we make a change. Oh, you know you'll always have me. Baby, I will always stay with you. So put your trust in me. We'll work it out, you'll see. If we get in a car and drive someplace far, yeah, we could go for a ride. The two of us, we don't have to stop. Baby, let's go for a ride. You and I, let us run away. We can go where we want. I'll have your bag if you'll have mine. You and I wanna leave everything behind. If you wanted to, promise you we will be alright. If it's you and I want you to myself. We can stay in hotels, just living off the edge. Only good times ahead. So let me put it out, you'll see. If we get in a car and drive someplace far, yeah, we could go for a ride. You and I, let us run away. We can go where we want. I'll have your bag if you'll have mine. You and I wanna leave everything behind. If you wanted to, promise you we will be alright. If it's you and I let us run away.
I know it's nothing new, but it's so good to see you. We do this every day, and I'm still so amazed.
Hi guys, so we are at the mall. We're just roaming around. Today is actually Mid-Autumn Festival. We are just waiting for our snack. Iuhaw kayo, min. Nalimot tayo. So, more na siya.
Yeah, you. Oh, I can't believe you love me. Oh, I just feel so lucky. Oh, still can't believe you love me. I hope it never ends. Let's be more than friends. Yeah. You know I'm here to stay every single day. Yeah. So hold me tight through the night. It's just us two, me and you. Oh, I can't believe you love me. Oh, I just feel so lucky. Oh.
here in China, guys, less ang interaction with the food attendants or waitresses. When you'll be ordering food, you'll just have to scan that code for you to be able to access the menu or the app of the restaurant. Dito na. So, we've already ordered. Mauna na siya ang mga orders. Here, there's wasabi. Katong ginger nga
Pickle ginger.
a pickled ginger.
Soy sauce. Toothpick.
Tissue. Then there's a drawer for the chopstick. Order na siya. And then there's a burner if you wanna cook. Like you'll be ordering noodles or hot pot or shabu-shabu. So order siya. So now we're just ordering or waiting for our food. We have here tea, mochi.
What?
So we're still waiting for the food.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out. So try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing.
Hubby got a box of mooncake from his employer or company, and it is from
Chef Nick.
Chef Nick.
No, Chef Nick.
Because it's almost autumn, mid-autumn festival. That's why the company is giving the employees mooncakes. 𝚑𝚒𝚗𝚗𝚒𝚗𝚗𝚒. So every year, they give me mooncake. So all our Chinese friends, advance happy mid-autumn festival. Eight boxes, no? I-open mo ito ko.
Pagkat mga color, no?
Gonna stay in this moment. Gonna lay here on the grass. I don't need to feel lonely. I am finally home at last. And I don't mind being gone on adventures for a while. No, no.
We received a box today. This is from hubby's employer again. This is his mid-autumn festival gift. All the employees were given. So, murag kardiro siya. So, let's see.
Hop. Oh, may nakasuwat. Agoy.
Agoy. Massage foot bath. Sige daw.
Living appliance series.
Wala siya.
Pajubi. Tara eh.
Ang gihatag. Sige, ato ablihan. Para makita na ko. Sige.
Taran. Oh.
Ano? Ablihan na. Oh, nice. Nana ko itong put pa.
Pag siya tinuod eh.
Hello.
Nas pa.
So, isaksak na siya. So,
Yun na yung massage ka rin still.
okay, I'll use that tomorrow.
Yung ka ni drain. Sa
Okay.
water. Yung ka ni kay control.
Thank you so much, ate.
Hmm.
I'm so happy. Para ako muna.
Para imo man nga gift, imo ni para ako.
Para ako ang gift, Charla. So, muna siya, guys. I'm so happy. Na-happy ka, babe.
Natay mo ang
Happy,
gift.
rasad ka.
Nice. Mag-kaos na ta.
Ano siya? Very easy to carry.
Magkabok. Time ng tubig.
Convenient to use. That's it for this vlog, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload videos. We'll catch you later. Toodles! Bye!